So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for a PayPal debit card. So if you want to apply for a specific PayPal debit card, you will need to go to your PayPal account and you will need to go to your PayPal balance or financial debit card section if you have that available and follow the prompts to request the card. So first of all, let's open up the balance. So you can see here you will have to have an active eligible PayPal balance or business account in good standing. So from that point, you will need to confirm your identity, date of birth, and tax or ID number, like something similar to an SSN. So if you have a confirmed physical street address as well. So these are all the requirements you need to have in order for this to work. Now, as it comes to application steps, you will need to open up again your PayPal app and go through the balance, and you will have the option for the PayPal debit card listed as one of those there. So once you've filled out all those requirements, you can see here the option for a PayPal debit card, and you can complete the on-screen form by verifying your personal details, and after that you can accept the terms and submit your application, and you will get immediate access to your digital card once it gets there and set up a 4-digit PIN within the app. So just make sure that you check your mail after about 10 business days for that debit card. If it hasn't arrived yet, you can always contact PayPal support so they can help you out with setting up your debit card, but it should be there once you've met all the requirements and filled that specific form. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.